Hello all. So just give me a minute. I'm actually our stabilization is so good of this laptop camera. Even mobile don't have this good stabilization. So I was about to I'm going to actually take this trade. Not on $1 lakh, only on the $5,000 because this is the intraday thing. This is not the something yo awesome thing. So actually look at this. I was looking to sell over here. This was a take profit, but I'm waiting for the candlestick confirmation. I'm waiting for 33 minutes more for the candlestick confirmation, and um, looks like I will again miss the trade. But it is what it is. I mean, I just can't take the trade without confirmation. The yesterday I said, but I have took the trade without confirmation, and I hit the stop loss. So now I must be learning from my mistake. Today I will wait for the candlestick confirmation. Even if we miss the trade, I don't give a damn flying. So yeah, the recording is on, right? It doesn't look good. Maybe that window doesn't look good at all. So yeah, this thing looks good. Oh fuck, where it is. I will wait for 30 minutes, and plus I'm working on something which is called Haikanashi. Okay, I'm just telling you what I'm working on. On the Haikanashi, I didn't saw the things which I must be saying. The confirmation on the Haikanashi that it is going to go down, which I didn't saw. So technically, if I take this trade, technically it should hit the stop loss rather than hitting the take profit. It should hit the stop loss technically as per Haikanashi. But I don't want to consider this right now because this is just a new thing. Okay, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. I will update you. Will come back after 30 minutes. Signing off. I'm closing this.